Did you know that one monk's impossible journey changed the course of an entire religion? In the 7th century, a Chinese monk named Xuanzang made a decision that everyone called crazy. He would walk thousands of miles across the most dangerous lands on Earth to find the true teachings of Buddha. For 17 years, he faced sandstorms that swallowed whole groups of travelers. Bandits hunted him. Mountains tried to freeze him. Deserts tried to cook him alive. But here's what made him unstoppable. Every time fear crept in, he used meditation to calm his mind. When despair whispered, "Give up," he remembered his purpose. He turned suffering into strength. He collected over 600 sacred texts and brought them home. But when people asked about his greatest discovery, he didn't point to the books. The real treasure was the journey itself. Every obstacle had been his teacher. Every moment of pain had built his character. Sometimes the path to wisdom isn't found in books or videos. It's found in the courage to keep walking when everything tells you to quit.